Bonjour et bienvenue sur Coco French Corner. Je m'appelle Swati, votre enseignante de français, et aujourd'hui on va apprendre les articles in French. Hello everyone, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आज हम लोग फ्रेंच में आर्टिकल्स को पढ़ेंगे. In French, article est un petit mot placé avant le nom. Article, we place article before the noun. But in French, there are two types of article, les articles définis, les articles indéfinis. So what is the definite articles? Definite, when we talk about something specific or already known. For example, the Ganga, the Himalaya, these are the definite article. In French, every noun has gender. Either it is masculine or feminine. So we put the article or we place the article before noun according to their gender or number. So in French there are four types of definite articles: le, la, les, l'apostrophe, and in English meaning same, the. So the English meaning is same, the. Let's start with le. Le we use for masculine singular. When the noun is masculine singular, we place le. Then another la. La is used for feminine singular. When the noun is feminine, we use la. Next, le. Le is used for plural. When the noun is in numbers or plural, then we use le. Next, l'apostrophe. L'apostrophe when we use before vowel or where the h is silent. When a noun starts with vowel a, e, I, o, u or h, we put l'apostrophe. For example, le garçon. Why you use le? Because le garçon because garçon is singular, masculine singular. Le garçon means the boy. So we put le garçon. Next, la fille. La fille. Fille means girl. And this is feminine singular. So we put la. Les enfants. The children. Plural. So we will put les. Les. L-E-S. Les. Next, l'apostrophe école. L'école means the school. Here the word start with E vowel. Then we put l'apostrophe. Either it is we will put l'apostrophe, and whether it is masculine or feminine, we use l'apostrophe. Next we will see les articles indéfinis. Les articles indéfinis means when we talk about something unspecific or we don't something general, these are the article indéfinis or indefinite articles. In English, an is the indefinite articles. So in French, there are three types of indefinite articles: a, in, de. A we use for masculine singular. In we use for feminine singular. And they we use for plural, some, plural. For example, un stylo means a pen. So stylo is masculine and singular, so we use un stylo. Un stylo. Here, in hobe. So hobe is means in hobe means a dress. Here hobe is feminine. In French language, every noun has gender. In table, in chaise, un stylo, in fille, un garçon. We have to put articles before the noun. Now in hobe. Hobe is feminine. Next, they lived, and here they lived means some books. Here es sorry, they lived. They lived means plural, some books. So we put they.